Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS News for Monday, May 9. Government will be looking at developing a policy on work which will focus on volunteerism. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement at last week's launch of Workers' Week and Labor Day.
We can, as a people, achieve so much if we are coordinated, organized, and motivated.
Mr. Holness assured that while the administration pursued economic growth and job creation, equal attention would be paid to the sustainable development of the country.
And that means that we will be engaging the people of Jamaica through our education system, through our health system, through our media and communications, in getting us to voluntarily use our efforts, our labor, to secure our environment.
Workers' Week commences on May 15 and will culminate on Labor Day, May 23. For health's sake, Keep It Clean is this year's Labor Day theme, with a national project to focus on identifying and destroying mosquito breeding sites in Gregory Park and Washington Mews, Portmore.
Together, we will try to have an impact on the breeding sites for mosquitoes and reduce the spread of the Zika virus in Jamaica.
Minister with portfolio responsibility for water, Dr. Horace Chang, says the corporate area should be drought resilient by the year 2018. He was speaking with Ian Boyne on JIS TV's Issues and Answers program last Sunday. Minister Chang said the government would be implementing multi-million-dollar projects to alleviate water lockoffs during periods of drought. He indicated that one of the projects involved the construction of a 15-gallon water plant in Rio Cobra, St. Catherine, which should be ready within the next 18 months.
When that is combined with the non-revenue water program that's proceeding in the corporate area, it should begin in another 3 months and was funded by the Inter-American Development Bank loans. We should be drought resilient in 24 months' time for the corporate area.
The Greenfield Multipurpose Stadium in Trelawny is to be utilized for sport tourism as the government seeks to reinvigorate the facility. Sport Minister Olivia Grange says funds have been allocated in the 2016-2017 budget for further development of the facility. She was speaking with JIS News on Saturday at the 2016 Jamaica International Invitational Meet.
The location and the way the Trelawny Stadium is set up, it has the ambience. It's just perfect. What we have to do, we have to upgrade the facilities. We have to put in a running track and a number of other things in order now to bring it to world standard.
$91 million is budgeted for infrastructural repairs and development of a water distribution system at the Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium during the fiscal year. Jamaican coaches and athletes are to benefit from a sport exchange program with the Japanese government. The Friendship Exchange Agreement was signed recently by the Totori Athletic Association and Jamaica Athletics Administration Association, J3As. It follows last month's meeting of the sports administrators in Japan, where they signed a memorandum of understanding to advance relations.
I want to encourage the athletes and coaches to make the best use of this opportunity as we look forward to Japan hosting the Olympic Games in 2020.
It is my sincere wish that, having completed the agreement, we will see intensive and extensive exchanges between TAA and JAA through sports. Please rest assured, our embassy will make its best effort to support such exchanges.
This Friendship Exchange Agreement shows the ability of sports to transcend not only national borders, different cultures and politics, to truly unite nations and people in a way that only sports can.
And finally, the Registrar General's Department, RGD, will be hosting a regional conference aimed at standardizing civil registration practices and improving identity protection. RGD's inaugural Civil Registration and Identity Management Conference will be held at the Montego Bay Convention Center from July 6 to 8. Registrars from 25 territories in the Caribbean will be engaged in discussions and the sharing of ideas and experiences, focused on the theme Civil Registration, a Post-Development Imperative.
We also are looking at trying to look at standardizing the various the various protocols in data collection, because there are issues in data collection, worldwide. And as a region, we think maybe we may have ideas which we can share and best practices in data collection. We also are considering this to be an area that we can start a network, a Caribbean network of civil registrars.
RGD's Chief Executive Officer was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.